Goodness gracious, guys, is ALLR actually finally pumping after months of damage, and this is finally the run we're going to have. I knew it's going to go to the EMA 20. It really made me doubt it for a little bit. I was like, man, this thing is just testing patience for sure. But yeah, it's going to hit it. It was due for a run. A lot of people have been calling this in the dollar range, 80 cents, extreme targets, 50, 40. This thing went all the way down to like 17-cent area. I mean, even lower. I mean, 15, 20, 16 cents. And it finally pumped. But let's look at the daily chart and see why. Anybody can see it. Obviously, I made a video before. I'm just not now making a video and be like, oh, it's going to pump as it's pumping already. I made a video before. I think it was around, I'm pretty sure it was July 19th. I made it on this one. And that was mainly due to the trend channel here. Trend channel touch here. It went below it. I was like, oh my goodness, this thing just won't give up, right? It went right back up. And then it just started pumping, right? And then it went back because the trend channel is here. And now after hours, it's very easily manipulated, so it can go way past it, and we are finally hitting the EMA 20. This was my target. We went way past it. My target was 24 cents. You can watch my videos. Where are we at? We went to 31 cents. We're sitting at 29 cents right now, guys. So congratulations to anyone that got the bottom. I'm sure a lot of people are still not profitable on this due to a lot of pumpers pumping this thing way above. I'm telling you, the first big candle here, I've seen people buying the dip on this candle here. I've seen it, and it's just a nightmare. But yeah, I played this one way back last time. Same pattern. Long EMA 20 distance. I played it right in this area. Consolidation is due for an EMA 20 run, and bam, we got it. And this is the same thing I'm seeing. This one was a little more extreme. Our last touch was 502. We didn't touch the EMA 20. We're finally touching it on July 23rd. So anything, just keep in mind, guys, anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is very rare. So what will happen is if I see a stock like this, I draw the trend channel, use the trend channel tool. This is very helpful to see, okay, I like the stock. It hasn't touched the EMA 20. What is a good area to get in at? And so when we're looking at this thing, we're like, okay, so we had this big drop. We never trade the first big drops because we need it to consolidate. We need time distance. And that's why I keep telling people. People are like, why do you keep saying time distance? Because I can't draw a trend channel and I can't see, how accurate it is if we don't touch the EMA 5. I need to see EMA 5 away from it. So what happens is we get the EMA 5 here. Price tends to run up to it and use it as a target, and that's how we're having all these resistance areas. We hit the EMA 10, we resist, we go back down, and then we try to hit the upper trend, or we go through the EMA 510, and we're finally due for the 20. The EMAs are awesome. You can always use them for targets and be like, okay, where do I want to scale out? Or you can scale all out on one of them, because a lot of the times they are resistance points. So for me, I take out on the EMA 5 and 10. If I really like the stock and it's just been like not touching the EMA 20, sure, I'll play the EMA 20 bounce. And ALLR had the best EMA 20 in all the stocks. The only problem is it's very risky. It had it had bad news. If you look on Webull, the news it had. It had a SEC notice disclosure of one's lead. Received a well notice from the SEC. So it's one of those things where higher risk, higher reward. So congrats to everyone that held out. Good job. If you made money, I was, like I said, I made a video back in July 19th. I'm happy for everyone that did make money, and that's awesome. That's the name of the game. Do not follow pumpers. Use a strategy that works. I have followed pumpers and I have blown accounts. I got tired of it and I had to figure out what makes sense, because I get a watch list. I join Discords that cost hundreds of dollars. They just say, here's a watch list, buy this. And you don't hear about it once it's negative. You yourself don't have a strategy, and you're just hoping. With this strategy, you know exactly what's going on. You get time distance, so you can get a trend channel. We look for the shorter trend channel because we know we're going to hit the EMA 20. It just has to hit it. Every crappy stock does it. I've seen even Fisker, a bankrupt stock, hit the EMA 20 and made over 100% gain with my strategy. It will happen, trust me. I know it seems odd, but obviously I'm not going to trade bankrupt stocks, OTC and all that. But yeah, this one did a good job. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see more of my education, see my alerts, see my entries, my exits sent directly right to your phone, so you don't have to look at charts. You don't have to do anything if you don't want to. So if you want to join, click the link down below in the description or YouTube comments. I'll have it pinned saying join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is head on over to Server Shop, and you'll see the two services. I have swing trading and day and swing trading. Day and swing trading is going to give you the best bang for your buck, $12 a month, and you have access to all my alerts, double the alerts, swing trades and day trades, and all my educations. You know, you have swing trade education. I teach you guys the EMA5. I have so many strategies with this that it works awesome. How to properly accumulate reversals. Very nice right there. Day trade alerts. We just did one today. Over 20% gain. Day trade education. It's actually one of my best strategies. I love day trading. It works the best for this. And obviously, RTK Journal to show you guys I win over 95% of my trades. I can be very transparent. I know where price is going to go. I follow the system, and I initiate. I don't need anybody else to tell me, well, you know, because of this, and that. I look at the chart, what it's going to do. Algos are going to take it to where it wants. ALLR did what it wants to do. It can plummet for all I care. And this thing's at freaking... Are you kidding me? Man, I will say, though, ALLR is known for the pumps. Last time it hit the EMA 20, it went well below it. So it gave us more room. That's fine. That's totally fine. You can just make more money. Obviously, we're here for the conservative EMA 20, and we're done. Because after it hits that, price tends to go wherever it wants, and bam, it went straight down. Is it going to do something different here? We don't know. So just take it out as. But you can also join my RTK live streams for my members. You guys want to know when I go live, see me physically look at a chart, answer any questions, you're welcome to join. So with all that is included in membership. So yeah, day trading plus, day and swing trading plus is $12 a month. Do it on your computer. It is slightly cheaper. I'll see you guys in the next video. Congrats to all the bulls there. And check out my most recent video that I posted. Look at around July 19th. I posted ALLR. It'll blow your mind, guys. And stick to the strategy. I'm telling you. Ignore all the haters. I know oftentimes when I'm in a Discord, since I host a community, it can be overwhelmingly depressing, especially when a stock goes down 5%. People are like, oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. But yeah, I like the strategy, guys. This is just, you know, to help you guys, you know, make better decisions and all that. And I appreciate you all, guys. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the Discord if you want to join. Peace out.